Do you spend way too much time tracking inventory, switching between applications to receive payments, to manage accounts, and to view customer details? Are you unable to fulfill customer orders due to keeping too little? Do you face overselling or delayed manufacturing due to running out of inventory? Inventory management is a tough balancing act. You have to know what's in stock, which orders are coming in, and when you might need to order more. If you're having trouble keeping up with inventory and orders, ERPPWA Inventory is the software for you. A customizable inventory management software that helps you manage online and offline orders and keep track of all inward and outward transactions. It saves holding costs and prevents stockouts, overstocking, and lost sales by ensuring that sufficient stock is always available in your inventory. Sold product statistics by client and period helps you to invest smartly in your stock to reduce interest cost. Using historical and seasonal data trends can help you accurately predict customer orders. ERPPWA Inventory allows to manage price list for customers by products, helps to monitor production management with raw material availability stock, view your profit for a specific day or for a period from all customers or by a customer. Simple user interface to manage customer-wise transactions like sales orders, delivery challenges, sales invoices, sales returns, dues, receipts. That's not all. ERPPWA has a real-time dashboard and a robust reporting feature. You can optimize purchases and inventory levels and get critical insights about your businesses anytime, anywhere in any device. If you need any change in existing features or want to add new reports or features, we can customize as per your need. ERPPWA is available as software as a service, or if you want to set up it on your in-house server. Click on Demo button and try it yourself. No need to sign up or give your personal details for demo. Click on Help icon to view help video on each screen.